how you move round here. With a them man there. From the hood, but we move different. That's why them man just stare. Yeah, but we don't care. With a them man there. Take time, keep your distance. A misfit, but man move smoky. Yo, and watch how you move round here. Just cashed in a check with a boom. Wet now we're X-Man, vex grind hard every day. So please I collect just here for the puff. Miss me with the rest. Looked at myself in the mirror and gassed myself. No lie, man, I needed to. No one's gonna help me more than me. Can't run from the facts. It's true, bad man, no my ones, man. Need no gang, man. John Wick, more flow, man. With my right hand, trust no one, even for my foot. 10-year friendship doesn't mean shit sad, man. If you go on a glide, think twice. Not every member's willing to pay the price. He's a snitch and you're a real rider. You'll be feeling like Obi tries. With a them man there. From the hood, but we move different. That's why them man just stare. Yeah, but we don't care. With a them man there. Take time, keep your distance. A misfit, but man move smoky. Better watch how you move round here. With a them man there. From the hood, but we move different. That's why them man just stare. Yeah, but we don't care. With a them man there. Take time, keep your distance. A misfit, but man move smoky. Better watch how you move round here. Ying, 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 ying. He got chef and his face look rough. He's moving too wild, full showing for him.
Say something?
Welcome to Unveiling. I think it's going to go great. First, my name is Victor. I'm electric car trading. I think it's going to be great. The car looks great. From what I can tell so far, it's going to be very pretty. It's going to be very fast. Hopefully, all of you are going to enjoy it. This is Phil.
Alright.
This is gonna be
Alright, say something.
something.
Let's see. Something.
Alright, guys.
David.
I got it.
Fucking. Fuck off.
Yo, you're still the press.
I think it was enough for today.
Shut up. We'll do this one.
Okay, we're gonna use a vice.
How many more do we have to do?
Right after. 7.
You're fucking 7?
Justin.
How is he supposed to hold it?
Yeah. Oh!
I'm trying to I'm choking up my food. What the fuck are you choking on? The donut. He's choking it back.